All right, welcome traders. So I want us to quickly look at a market today, and the market of preference is USDJPY. Okay, so we're going to be analyzing USDJPY today. Okay, I will see our bias for the week, for the month, and for the trimester altogether. So this is USDJPY 4 hour. Okay, and usually I would like to start from the higher time frame, more like a top-down analysis kind of thing. Okay, so well, let's look at first of all, let's look at a monthly outlook. Let's start with a monthly outlook. So you see, I'm not going to be talking about those SMC those different strategies and different names. No, I'm going to be trading what the market is presenting. Okay, I'm going to be trading exactly what the market is presenting. So let me quickly delete the things we have here before. Okay. So most times people think you need to actually have all these complex strategies in your head, know about this, know about different things. I don't preach that. But what I usually tell people is just to understand market structure. How does the market behave? I'm not going to go deep into it again, but you know how markets behaves. You guys have taught this a lot of times. Okay. Apologies. I'm using one hand for this video, of course, because of my fracture. So my drawings are not going to be perfect. Okay, so but I haven't told you guys how the markets behave. If the market is trending, market can either be trending or ranging. We already know about uptrends and downtrends. Okay, now if you don't know any of that, you really have a lot of work to do. So you have to go back to my channel, go back to the videos in my channel, down. I go and watch about trends, learn about support and resistance, learn about market structure, fraternity, all of that, because it's very important. Because those are the basis. I want you to understand it becomes very easy. Okay, so I don't even have to draw anything on this chart. Look at this. Okay, look at this chart. Okay, let me expand it. Look at this chart basically. Which trend are we? Apparently, as you can see right now, we are in an uptrend. Okay, where the market ranged for a while, but what else here? An uptrend. All right. So let's zoom in and see what happened. First of all, still on the monthly. Let's look at what happened. So you can see market was trending up. Then it came back to a previous low it formed, kind of forming something that looked like a support zone. Okay, a support zone. All right. So you can see the support zone. And it bounced back up. So the market came back to this portion and what is now attempting to bounce back up. So that's already giving us a bias. It's already giving us a bias. It's already giving us what? An upward bias. And at first when I was trading this, I traded this market earlier last month. I was thinking it was going to form a head and shoulder here. Okay, I took a loss. All right, I took a loss here. So this is what we are seeing in a 1 month time frame. So let me just pick up my arrow, and you can see the direction of this altogether is what? It's up. Okay, I can see this monthly candle forming is what? It's a bullish candle. It's a bullish candle. If it was a bearish candle, now then maybe we could have been talking about, okay, this might actually be head and shoulder, and this market want to reverse and fall down flat. Are you getting me? But that is not the case. You can see that it's a what? It's a bullish candle, and it's still forming. So let's go down to 1 week. Okay, 1 week. You see that I'm not going to be doing a lot of those, maybe SMC or whatever stuff. No, those are not the basic thing for trading. In fact, before you can use SMC and all of that, you have to understand these basic stuff. And I'm going to be using all those basic stuff, just those basic stuff here. Okay, the simple things here. All right. So I'm going to widen my charts now, so you see. So see, what are you seeing here? This is the basic market structure that we know, isn't it? This is basic market structure that both of us know right from time. But this is on a weekly time frame. And what is this? Is it showing us that we are what? In an uptrend. Okay, just like I told you that here I was thinking it was going to form a head and shoulder pattern and I took a loss, yes. Okay, there's nobody that is above losing. Even when you are right, sometimes you can still lose. I was following this rejection, thinking it was going to start falling down. That was my bias before, thinking head and shoulder. But this week, okay, between the last 2 weeks, things have changed. Okay, it's showing me that what it's about to continue upward. Okay, and this is what we're expecting. You can see the bias is there from the monthly down to the weekly. We are seeing, we already know what we are expecting already. Okay, already. See that? So we already explained this market to what to eventually get towards this portion. I don't even have to stress myself again. Okay? We're already expecting that it's going to go upward towards to this high. It's going to take it out. That is normal. Okay, so let's go now to a daily time frame now where people are used to, most traders are used to. Okay, even at the daily time frame, you can still do this. You can still see, you can still understand the market basically like that, if even at the daily time frame. So look at it, you are still going to see the same thing we're saying, that we are basically what? In an uptrend. Okay, still the same thing. Even though you're using daily, you don't have to go to monthly or weekly, you're still going to have the same bias. Okay, so it's an uptrend. And what are we saying? Is we are seeing the market pushing what? Upward. Okay, this was a retracement. And now what? It's going to take out this high. A lot of people are going to be looking to sell from here, which is one mistake they're going to make. Some people are going to be looking to sell from here, which is very wrong. Okay, what market is going to do when it gets here? I bet you when the market gets to this portion, what it's going to do? I can put $100 on this. Okay, you can bet with me in the comment section. What it's going to do is what it's going to get to this zone, get to this portion, then make people think it's going to go down. I getting it. Then also that selling, they are going to be happy that wow, you're going to sell. Most people are going to join the sell. Then market is going to what? It's going to what? Soon go back up. Okay, forgive my drawing. I told you I'm using just one hand for this. So let me do that again. So what the market gets here, what's going to do is that it's going to give you a sign that it might want to go down. Then after that, boom. Okay, not perfect. After that, yeah. After that, it's going to what? Go up, zoom up. So that is it. Even when it gets to this point, it's still going to do the same thing. Okay, it's going to also make people feel like, okay, see, highest high is going to fall down, then push back up. Because we are what in an uptrend and trends don't change easily. We're always speaking about this. My students also know this. If you are even watching this, maybe you are a beginner or you don't really understand how to analyze the market, where I have a trading ebook, okay, the beginner, intermediate, and expert trader, which is in fact is basically everything you need. Okay, with that book, you don't need a mentor. You absolutely don't need a mentor with the book. All you have to do is get the copy. The beginner, the intermediate, and the expert trader is going to teach you everything you need to know about trading. Okay, the different concepts applied and specific trading strategies which are used to trade. If you are here and if you don't really understand the market, you feel like, okay, you need help, you can get the book or you can join my mentorship program. I also have a mentorship program where I teach people how to trade. Furthermore, you can even get the book and join the mentorship program. And then you're going to see that trading as a whole is going to be very easy for you. It's going to be easy for you to analyze the chart the way I do. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Looking at this now, you already know what we are expecting, right? We don't need a prophet to tell you, or you don't need the prophet to tell you anymore. This is what we're expecting. So I want to pick an arrow. Okay, remember this is a daily time frame. Just that the only problem that people have here is that most people are not patient, that they cannot wait for the market to actually go or do this. They can't wait. Most people can't wait. That is the truth. Okay, so you zoom in. Let's see, is today bearish or bullish? Let's see if today is bearish. Today is bearish, but we both know that soon enough the market is going to turn bullish. Okay, so let's go now the lower time frame. See what people are used to. So the 4-hour time frame, and I'll show you what I saw in the 4-hour time frame that made me know that okay, this market have actually changed. Like I told you at first. Okay, at first I was selling from here. Actually, I took a loss on this pair, quite a lot. Okay, at when I was buying here, the market started going down. Okay, I took a loss there. Then when the market started going down, I thought it was the head and shoulder, just like I told you, and I wanted to continue downward, sell downward. Then market still took me out. Okay, and then after that, I started to actually see and actually understood what was happening. Now the market is about to go up. How? If you look here, you're going to see what? You're going to see a W. Okay. Pattern. This is talking about chart patterns now, right? A W pattern. What's the W pattern? It's also a reverse of head and shoulder. Oh, what I was expecting to happen up here is happening down here. So let me do this. You see that? So this was happening here, and it's happening in the what? In the 4-hour time frame, telling me that what the market is now ready to start going up. All we have to do is now is just what? Get plugged in. Okay, I made an analysis for my students. Okay, students, a day before, 2 days before this recording. I don't know where you're going to be watching it, but I make an analysis for them 2 days before this record, and I give them a zone to buy from. Okay, I gave them this zone to buy from, this particular zone to buy from. Okay, and what the market, in fact, I'm going to play it on the screen now so that you see. It's going to be on the screen so you see it. The market came back there and what? And it started going up. Okay, this is what we're expecting. So what we're expecting is the market will what? Continue what? Going up to that what? To that weekly high. So let me pick up our buy tool position. Then basically this is what we're expecting. Okay, and if you didn't get this trade, or if you're not in this trade at this point or at this moment where I'm making this video, you have all the chance to do so. Okay, so you can still get on the trade even now. Okay, as long as the market have not moved so much. Or you can go to a lower time frame to look for how to enter it and capture small. But I'm holding, or we are taking this trade up to this portion. Okay, I bet you. I told you, you can bet to do in the comment section. All right. So and this is that small high we saw before. Let's zoom out even better. Okay, let's zoom out even better. So you see where we're actually expecting to go is here. Okay, we're expecting the market to come here. Okay, this was that small high you saw in the daily time frame. People are going to be looking for it to sell here, and the market is going to what? It's going to zoom off. We say this is going to happen here. So you have to learn how to understand the market or read the market fractally, just like I did. It's very simple. Okay, making money from this market is very simple, although it's not easy. Okay, I know it's easier said than done. Yeah, it's very actually easier said than done, but it's not supposed to be that hard. You are the one trying to complicate this by trying to learn the different strategy, turtleneck, this, SMV, I don't know whatever it's called. Okay, I don't know whatever it's called, but they're just basically you have to understand to be successful in this market. Okay, so this is for today's video, guys, and we can see the effort I'm putting in educating you guys. Even when I'm not really too sound, I still make the effort to educate you guys. So the best thing you can do for me is to like this video, subscribe, maybe leave a comment in the comment section, and share to those that will need it. You also have people that are interested in trading, your friends that are struggling in trading. Share my channel to them. Let them also learn. Okay, don't be stingy. All right. So this is it for today's video, guys. And this is the least I can go. Do you want to go to 30 minutes or so? Uh, okay, fine. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame so that you see. Or then let's give you an entry if you are watching this video in time. Okay, let's just check 30 minutes or 1 hour for an entry where you can now buy the market. If you are watching this video maybe a day after I posted it or 2 days after. Okay, so this is a good zone for you to take your trade. Okay, you can see that there is liquidity being gathered there. So market is very likely to come back and take out that liquidity. I'm going to show you the liquidity now. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so you can see that there's liquidity building up here. So market is very likely to come back and take out that liquidity. Enter this zone or hit this zone, then before going up. So if you are watching this video in time, you can wait for this in 30 minutes time frame or 1 hour, like you can see here. To enter the market is not hard. It's very easy. You can see how simple I make it. You can see how easy I make it look. Okay, so this is our outlook for USDJPY for this week, this month, maybe next 2 months to come, or this month particularly. All right. So this is it, guys. Just like I said, subscribe until we meet again. Peace.